handsome and beautiful students. Welcome to Cradle to Harvard online class. My name is Ifeanyi Obanigwe, and the subject we're going to be looking at today is chemistry. Topic, water. And subtopics, we have definition of water, sources of water, types of water, uses of water, water pollutants, and laboratory preparation of water. So by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to, 1, define water, 2, state the sources of water, 3, state the types of water, 4, list some water pollutants, 5, describe the procedure for the laboratory preparation of water, 6, learn the day-to-day application of water. So, definition of water. Water is defined as a colorless, transparent, odorless liquid that forms the seas, lakes, rivers, and rain, and is the basis of fluids of living organisms. You will agree with me that for every chemical reaction to take place in your body, they are all going to take place in a water medium. The digestion in your body, they are all taking place in a water medium. So what are the sources of water now? Number 1, sea, lake, river, rain. These are all sources of water. We also have other sources too. Types of water. Water has been divided or grouped into hard water and soft water. From the word hard water, you think it's something that is very strong. But let us see what hard water is. So, hard water is formed when water percolates through deposits of limestone, chalk, which are largely made up of calcium and magnesium carbonate, bicarbonate, and sulfate. What is the meaning of that? When rain falls, as the rain is falling, this water percolates, that is, moves through the surfaces of limestone or chalk. And as they move through it, this water mixes with the calcium present in this carbonate, in the limestone, thereby forming what is known as calcium carbonate with the water. So the presence of calcium ions or magnesium ions in water makes water hard. No wonder when you use soap to wash your clothes, in fact, you see that if it is hard water, you use soap to wash your clothes, the water does not foam. What happens? It does not foam. It is because of the presence of calcium ion or magnesium ion in this water. That is why it does not foam. What about soft water? Let us see what soft water is. From the word soft. Okay. So, soft water is also known as surface water. It contains low concentration of ions. What are these ions? Calcium ions and magnesium ions. And in particular is low in ions of calcium and magnesium. Soft water naturally occurs where rainfall and the drainage basin of rivers are formed of hard, impervious, and calcium-poor rocks. That means if this water falling does not mix with the limestone and the presence of calcium and magnesium ion is low, we would have soft water. You can also say soft water is not having calcium ion or magnesium ion. Did you get that? Good. Water pollutants. Water pollutants is divided into 2. First of all, what do you think pollutants are, or water pollutants? These are substances that makes our water unfit for usage or for drinking, whatever you're using it for. Okay? So we have one, domestic water pollutants, which includes urine, refuse, and sewage. You will agree with me that if urine is found in your water, in fact, you can't drink the water. Okay? You can't drink it. What about the industrial pollutants? They include fertilizers, pesticides, chemicals, and crude oil spillage. These are water pollutants. Okay. Laboratory preparation of water. Now, a water molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom. Okay. A way to show the reaction is by preparing hydrogen, that is in the laboratory, okay? A way to show that is by preparing hydrogen and holding a burning split close to the liberated gas. The hydrogen gas reacts with the oxygen in the air to form water. The chemical reaction is this. Now, this is hydrogen, H2, plus oxygen, O2, okay? And this will give us water. Now, if you see, hydrogen is, we have two atoms of hydrogen here and also two atoms of oxygen here. Most gases exist as a molecule. They can't exist as one. Let me show you something here, okay? For instance, you want to prepare water, okay? So, this is not possible. This is not right, okay? This is not right. So we have to know that oxygen has what? Two molecules of what? Oxygen plus two molecules of hydrogen. This will react to form H2O. Okay. Now the equation is not yet balanced. It is not balanced, okay? So in order for us to balance this equation, simply we had two here. Okay? That is 2. Oxygen is 2. Then you also add 2 here. Did you get that? This is 2 times 2 is 4 atoms of hydrogen, and these 2 affect the oxygen here, okay? Now, we have 4 atoms of hydrogen here, and we have 2 atoms of oxygen here. This is in the ratio of 2:1. Very simple, okay? So what are the applications of water? Water can be used for direct and indirect purposes, okay? So for the direct include bathing, drinking, and cooking. Indirect purposes are the use of water in processing wood to make papers. We use papers every day. And in producing steel for automobiles, okay? The bulk of the world's water use is for agriculture, industry, and also electricity to generate electrical power. So in summary, water is defined as a colorless, transparent, and odorless liquid. Sources of water include sea, river, lake, etc. Water can also be classified as hard and soft water. It has both domestic and industrial applications, such as bathing, drinking, etc. So, this is the little assignment I have for you. You define water in your own words, okay? Mention 4 sources of water. State the difference between hard and soft water. There are differences there, okay? Mention 4 water pollutants. Describe the laboratory preparation of water. State 5 applications of water. So thank you for listening. Stay well, stay healthy. See you next time. Bye.